All right, guys, time for our Gold Rush Series 3 multi-sport jersey. You got a ton of big names in here, the best in basketball, baseball, football, hockey, soccer. So you've got guys like Brady, Ovechkin, you've got Mike Trout, Acuna, Soto, Tatis. You got Jason Tatum, Griffey, Russell Wilson. So some really big names in here. Let's see what we can get out of this one. So it's first letter of the first name. So George, you've got first name letter C. James has got L and S. Rick J, you've got B, D, and J. Rick M, you've got A, F, H, I, O, U, K, M, P, R, T, V, W, and Z. And then Brett, you've got Y. All right, let's see what we can get. Series 3. Oh, nice one. Nice one here. Rick. How about a big hurt? Frank Thomas. Beckett authenticated. Nice hit there. Pulling the big hurt. Looks like a custom jersey there. So Rick, congratulations, man. We'll get that jersey in the mail to you tomorrow. I've got one more box from this case, then we'll move into a brand new case of Series 3. So we'll do that next one next weekend. So it's on eBay now. It'll end Saturday. We'll break it here next Sunday.